will try to make you feel worthless, throwing their insecurities on you. I don't expect you to be mature than me, responsible than me. There's always a person who thought about others first. Just make yourself your priority. Nobody else will do. Heavy-heartedly, I have learned this. I have started to say no. You're not getting what impact it can have on the other person. That's not something acceptable for me anymore. After coming to a certain age, eventually it's gonna be end up very ugly. Let go happily. Pass a judgment for you, pass a comment for you. Cut them off. Set boundaries. Choose people that add values to your life. It's great to have something to escape out of it. And hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Parmeet and I make content about fashion, beauty, travel and sometimes lifestyle too. So I was about to start my makeup for another YouTube video, so I thought why not to make a get ready with me chit chat video kind of a thing. So lately I have gotten back to YouTube. It's been a while since I have shot a YouTube video because I didn't have a time capacity that much. I got unwell as well and I had some work, I got unwell, we were looking for the studio space and much more. I have shot in a vlog, but I didn't, purposely sit and, shoot a YouTube video, like a dedicated YouTube video. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. I don't do it for money or anything. It's just like I really love filming and connecting with the people because I got some motivation to get back on YouTube because recently couple of my videos are getting a lot of reach and a lot of comments and a lot of engagement. So I thought why do I have I stopped creating on YouTube because whenever I'm mentally not feeling well, I come back to YouTube and that's like my safe space. With that, I think I'm gonna just prep my lips first because my lips are way too dehydrated right now. I am just doing a bit of makeup today, not much, just to look presentable in the video because I have to shoot a get ready. Oh sorry, it's not a get ready now. What am I saying? I have to shoot a haul video. कम बोलते हैं थोड़ा सा पहले थोड़ा सा. I'm sorry if the light might have changed a bit because बैटरी लो हो गई थी तो थोड़ा इधर उधर हो ही जाता है. सो इट इज़ माई OG favorite lip balm. It works wonder like no other lip balm does. A favorite OG product. Feels like I'm too old for this now because I've been using since my teenage, like much before my teenage years maybe. So yeah, how are you all? कमेंट में बताएं आप क्या करते हैं, कौन है, मुझे जानने में बहुत दिलचस्पी है. I would be really happy if you guys share your life, your, what you do, what you are here for. And I have already, have my moisturizer, my sunscreen on. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना. I would have primer भी क्या ही लगाऊँ यार, मैं हल्का सा लगा ही लेते हैं चलो. So just putting this Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer. ये भी मेरी haul video में जाने वाला है because I've repurchased this. मैं यहाँ क्यों बता रही हूँ, ये haul video में बताएंगे. So I'm just applying a bit of primer right here. So yeah, वैसे तो घर पे हूँ, primer की इतना need नहीं है because I don't have to go outside. So lately a lot of things have been happening in my life right now, career wise, family wise, friends wise, and हाँ बस बहुत कुछ क्या ही बताऊँ. There's a lot of things going on right now and I don't know where to begin with. I just needed an escape, to be honest. I needed a real quick escape. That's why I am here shooting a YouTube video today because this is like my safe space, just me and the camera, and after that my audience, and I just wanted to be alone for a bit. Let's first jump on to the next step. See, I don't know if I should go with the Too Faced one or L'Oreal because मैं घर पे ही हूँ. I don't want to go outside. I don't care about the long stay. I think I'm gonna go with this. But before that, I have to correct my under eyes a bit with my skin shade. For that, I'm using this Forever 52's. Oh my God, बहुत ज़्यादा oil हो गया ये देखो. Can you guys see the oil? Because it's a summer time, ये काफ़ी oil secrete कर रही है. बट कोई बात नहीं, यूज़ तो करना ही है. देखो, so I'm using my PAC 219 brush. I'm gonna pick like correcting kind of a shade. I think I'm gonna take this concealer shade right here. This is like one tone darker than my skin tone, so it will correct all the under eye pigmentation. And wow, I didn't grab my mirror. Very nice. I'm just gonna use my MAC compact for the mirror. So I really wanted to speak about energies today. Like, I don't know if it's just me or, any of you feels the same thing. Like, whenever you are surrounded with someone whose vibes are very negative, whose aura is very negative, and you just feel drained around that person. I would say, I don't know the right word. I feel very drained and exhausted when I'm around someone with negative aura in them. So I don't know if it's just me, and any of you guys feel, just comment down and let me know if I'm not alone. That's what I wanted to talk today. Basically, some negative vibes, negative aura, negative energy makes me feel so much drained, so much exhausted, even when I'm doing nothing. I'll sit on my bed, lie on my bed, I'll still feel exhausted the whole day. It's not about 1 hour, 2 hour, it's about the whole day. I don't know really, but let's focus. You get my point, right? It is very exhausting to be in a same room with that person. I really can't get along with people who have like negativity in them. So I've been feeling drained. Just that, dude. If you don't have like a good aura, if you are negativity, I can't stand with you. I can't sit with you for even for an hour. I can't. I just can't do that. Call me mean or selfish or whatever. I just choose my peace on above everything. So yeah, I don't know. It's good to choose peace at the end. Anyways, nowadays I'm so much into protecting my energy, my self worth, and whatnot. So I am just protecting my mental health, mental peace, and again, call me selfish or whatever. I just can't stand by you if you are so negative as a person. That what has been happening since a long time, and that's why I am not able to focus on my work, my YouTube, and it's just a hobby. My work is a separate thing. I'm not able to put as much potential as I have. So yeah, that was very annoying that I'm not able to do certain things when I am capable of. I have the resources, I am capable, but I am not doing that. It's just because I am very much drained, and it has been happening since years, not once or twice. It has been happening since years. So I wanted to make sure that I take care of my mental peace, my mental health, by cutting off all those people who does not have any value in my life, or I don't have value in their lives. So I have been cutting off those people because, dude, come on, you have to take care of yourself first. You cannot have those people in your life who can only value you when you can bring something to the table, in that way. How did I work on that? So firstly, I have stopped people pleasing very heavy heartedly. I have learned this. I have started to say no when I don't want to do certain things. I have started putting myself first than any other person. Okay, you have people, one or two, okay, जिनके बारे में तुम पहले सोच सकते हो, like you keep them before yourself. It's fine, sometimes you do that out of love, but if something only loves you when you are bringing something to the table, that's not love. I was kind of a person who would never say no to anyone. So I was always a person, who thought about others first, but, didn't focus on myself. But yeah, I had to learn this anyway. Kabhi na kabhi, it is what it is. So yeah, as I was saying, I stopped being a people pleaser. I started taking, stand for myself first. I learned to not be okay, with everything that was happening to me. I used to be okay if anyone does wrong to me, if anyone says whatever they want to me. I was literally okay for whole my life. I was okay with the bad words, I was okay with the bad comments, I was okay with the disrespect. I don't know why the fudge I was, okay with everything, but I was literally okay with the disrespect I got. So I have changed that. I don't tolerate any disrespect anymore, because obviously, why would I? Nobody owns me, nobody's feeding me. कोई मेरा घर नहीं चला रहा, कि कोई मुझे खाना नहीं खिला रहा, कि then why the heck I would just listen to them, or their disrespect, and why do I give so much value to their disrespect, basically. So that's the one thing I cannot deal with. I just cannot deal with the disrespect, and that's like the main issue I am having right now with certain people. Not everybody's same, पांच उंगलियां एक बराबर नहीं होती. and this blender isn't helping me anyway. Like from anyone, be it my friends, my siblings, my cousins, my parents, or anything, anywhere, like workplaces or anything, but I don't accept it anymore. So yeah, I started speaking up for myself. I stopped being okay with everything bad happening to me. Why bachpan se you have siblings, you have a habit of, getting okay with the comments, with the disrespect. You are okay with that because you have siblings. You have grown like that. It's not their fault, it's not my fault, but it is something which is, which needs to be acknowledged. It's very acceptable for you. पता है जब तुम ऐसे बड़े होते हो ना, you have friends, you have cousins, and being an elder, मेरे बहुत सारे बड़े भाई बहन हैं, बहुत सारे बड़े दोस्त भी रहे हैं. I was the youngest, so it's very easy for someone to pass a judgment for you, pass a comment for you, and कोई तुम पे ऐसे कुछ भी कमेंट करके चला जाए, कोई भी कुछ मजाक उड़ा के चला जाए, you get offended, but you can't do anything because they are elders and you are younger. You can't do anything. But after coming to a certain age, you just are not okay with that, and people don't understand that. They get offended कि ये जवाब क्यों दे रही है and everything, but they don't understand that I cannot accept your disrespect. That's the thing, and you should not. Nobody should actually. I have realized that all my life the disrespect which I got was draining me so much, and I cannot deal with it anymore. Be it my siblings, my relatives, my cousins, my friends, my colleagues, or colleagues to the nahi, whatever, at job place or kuch bhi, I just cannot stand with the disrespect. That कूल लगने के लिए मैं बड़ा हूँ वाला एटीट्यूड आता है ना, जिसमें मैं हूँ, you are younger, छोटी हो छोटी रहो, that sort of attitude I don't like. Age doesn't matter. Your sense of responsibility, your sensibility, that actually matters. You can be naive even at the age of 40, even at the age of 30. Age doesn't matter. If you are elder than me, I don't expect you to be mature than me, responsible than me, sensible than me. I don't expect any of that because that's just a number for me. Your sensibility matters the most. How much sensible you are, how much, you handle things with love and care and sensibility. That what all matters at the end. Gotta protect my mental health, guys. In general also, when your friends or your siblings or your cousins, when they try to be just cool and, around people, whenever they say like dafa ho ja, chep mat ho, chal chal nikal, you are so dumb, and that kind of statements hurts a lot, and you're not getting what impact it can have on the other person. You're just saying because you're trying to be cool enough in front of everyone. So that's not something acceptable for me anymore. I was okay with such statements once, but not anymore. I just can't accept the disrespect. Not feeling okay with someone, you're not comfortable with someone, you're not getting good vibes, good aura from anyone, you should just walk away, dude. Gotta keep your mental health your priority. Make space for yourself, bro. You're just putting the other person down by such statements you are throwing on people. You are just pushing them down because you are at that level at the end. People try to make you feel worthless and a lot of things, dude, a lot of things. You just gotta keep yourself your priority, keep yourself at first, keep yourself happy. Just know your self-worth. Just make yourself your priority. Nobody else will do. To be honest, by such statement, I don't even get offended anymore. I used to get offended, but I don't get offended anymore. So far, I have understand that it's just their insecurities they are throwing upon you, and it's okay. You just gotta keep yourself okay. Nothing else would matter. People always push you down because, they are sort of envy of your life, your partners, your anything. I've learned it a hard way, but I have learned it. I just protect myself, my energy, my self-worth, my values, and everything. That is much more important. Now taking my Laura Mercier's powder. Also, sometimes I do, I just feel sorry for them. I really feel sorry for them because, I don't know where they're coming from. They are just being naive and, throwing their insecurities on you. Yeah, it's just that, and just walk away, dude. You cannot tolerate shit all the time. Just walk away. You don't have to, you don't owe anybody. In general as well, you should not. If it's not cool, it's not cool. If it's not cool for me, it's not cool for me. I don't speak such words and I don't want to speak such words. That's what I believe, because obviously I believe in karma now. I never used to have that learning in me, but now I know if you do bad, you will get bad in return. Not in this life, maybe in another life. It's just I care about my कर्म nowadays. Whatever you call it, whatever you say it, जो भी कह लो, कर्मों का फल तो मिलता ही है. मे बी मेरे पुराने कर्मों का फल ही है. But to be honest, in friendships, in sibling relation, in partner relation, and in parents relation, that's the place of being sensible and responsible, not a place to be disrespectful. That I would say, that's the place of love. That's a place of sensibility. That's a place of responsibility. If you're not getting any of those with your friends, your siblings, your parents, your family, your relatives, you should just walk away. Parents ka I still understand at times they can speak bad to you because you don't know where they're coming from. They are, they had their traumas while growing us up. So parents ka for once I do understand. Nobody is a perfect parent. At the end, they are gonna love you. Always. They always gonna love you. They are not gonna abandon you. That's the place of love. So you can't just walk away from them, because obviously एक moment पे if they are not talking well to you, they will talk well to you in a bit. So parents का relation is something else. You cannot compare your siblings, your friends, your relatives with your parents. So parents का एक time तक you can let go. इतना दिल पे नहीं लगाना चाहिए, because obviously at the end they are gonna love you, they are gonna be there for you. They also had their own traumas. Not like I'm saying कि parents का disrespect अच्छा है, but एक certain level तक you can let go of that. So parents के लिए I would never say you should walk away or anything. If you are getting disrespected, just communicate with them, or just take your own time in your own room, just lock yourself up, just take your time. If that's a pattern, you should avoid the conversations for sure. Not like I am saying that you should not accept parents' behaviors or parents' disrespect. It's just, if it's a pattern, you cannot do anything about that. You just have to ignore and let go of things. I'm sorry, lights की battery बंद हो जाती है बार बार. I just applied my lip plumper on half of my lip. There's a reason I apply it on half of my lip, because मेरा आधा lip पतला है. Okay, having said that, हम कहाँ पे थे? ब्लश पे थे. ब्लश लगाएंगे, अब अच्छा दिखेगा ना. प्रोडक्ट भी दिखा पाऊंगी मैं, अब तक प्रोडक्ट नहीं दिखा पा रही थी. So I am on to blush right now. For that I'm using my new K Beauty का blush, and it's in the shade Sweet Salmon, because मुझे बहुत टाइम से ऑर्डर करना था. आप मेरी हॉल वीडियोस में सब कुछ देख लेना. As I was saying, never ever tolerate disrespect. Never. You just can't ignore if it's a pattern of someone. So you just have to walk away. You can't just let it go. Eventually you'll have to walk away. So why not do it prior to save your mental health? That's what I have realized a hard way. But again, a hard way. But okay, this is what it is. No matter what your relation was, no matter how much you loved them, how much you cared for them, eventually it's gonna be end up very ugly. So better to leave on time if you see those patterns again and again. Whatever it is, whatever, you just can't deal with the negativity all the time. It's gonna be very annoying. You'll have to walk away, and at the ugliest part. So better to लेट गो हैप्पीली. इतना बुरा करके छोड़ने से अच्छा है ना, टाइम पे ही छोड़ते जाओ, ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. इट्स बेटर टू not say a word and leave. Dude, you gotta save yourself first. You gotta save your aura. You gotta save your positivity. You gotta save your positive energies. Because if you're gonna stay longer with that person, you're gonna get all their negativities. You're gonna, spoil your aura. You're gonna affect yourself with their energies. You're gonna adapt their aura. You're gonna adapt their negativities. You're gonna adapt their selfishness, maybe, or whatever. I have the similar shade of Sweet Salmon in my, I think plum का है ना ये. हाँ, this is very a similar shade actually. I think it looks different in the camera, but it's sort of coming very similar on my face. So yeah, cheap substitute. Next I'll be contouring my face a bit because I'm chubby right now. और किससे करूँ, कुछ लाई नहीं मैं. So yeah dude, it's really important to So yeah, dude, it's really, really very important to choose right people for you, to be surrounded by the amazing, most amazing people. Choose people that add values to your life, that add love to your life, and vice versa, you do the same for them. Do not choose the people who only can love you if you are bringing something to the table. If you're not bringing anything, they are stopped loving you, those are not people for you. That's what I have to say. And last but not the least, choose no one that disrespects. That's the one motto I have in life. If you can't speak good, you're not worth it in my life. So yeah, choose people wisely. Choose nobody who disrespects you and try to push you down always, comment negatively on you. Just save yourself. You really have to save yourself from such people because they are not your energies. Cut them off, you know, set boundaries. Just don't do that because I've done that and I've suffered whole my life. So yeah, set boundaries to protect your energies. I just had to do a little bit of makeup and I've started doing my full face makeup again because I don't do much makeup, but जब भी मैं करती हूँ फिर मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा करने लग जाती हूँ. ये वेट एंड वाइल्ड का कॉन्टोर डुओ था जो मेरा ऑलमोस्ट बिल्कुल ही गॉन हो चुका है. अब मैंने वैसे हुला का एक और ले लिया, सो आई विल नॉट बी रीपर्चेजिंग दिस. इट्स वेरी पाउडरी दो. हाउएवर आई लव द शेड बट इट्स वेरी पाउडरी. या यू गोटा डू व्हाट यू गोटा डू. थोड़ा सा ब्लश और लगा रही हूँ मैं. ये इतना शो नहीं हो रहा तो आई वांटेड टू अप्लाई मोर ब्लश. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं कोई ऐड दे रही हूँ. लॉल, आई एम सीरियसली नॉट. आई नीड टू वॉश माई ब्रशेज़. ये काम बहुत टाइम से पेंडिंग है. मैं बार बार इसको डिसइंफेक्टेंट से क्लीन करके आई स्टार्ट यूजिंग. आई रियली नीड टू क्लीन. आई थिंक मैं आइज़ पे भी यही लगा लेती हूँ. दैट्स द बेस्ट हैक आई हैव लर्नड. ये मतलब मैंने खुद ही डिस्कवर कर दी कि वाई नॉट टू दिस. उसके बाद इंस्टाग्राम पे फेमस होने लगे. मैं कहा वाओ, पीपल रीड माई माइंड. जस्ट किडिंग. मैं कि कहाँ देख रही हूँ, शीशा भी नहीं है इसमें. वाओ, अनदर लाइट गॉन. ये जो मेरे सामने पड़ा हुआ था, I'm taking that. I don't know कौन सा शेड है, क्या है. Moonlight. These two shades. Tapping to access. थोड़ा सा जल्दी करना चाहूँगी बिकॉज मेरी बैटरीज बार बार डेड हो रही हैं. आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग ब्राउन लाइनर्स दैन दी ब्लैक वंस. ब्लैक काफ़ी मेरे को एकदम से लाउड लगता है. आजकल ट्रेंड में भी थोड़ा नेचुरल सा लुक है ना. आई एम स्टिल अ लाइनर गर्ल. हाँ, क्या कर रही हूँ गाइस. मैं इतनी देर से शूट कर रही हूँ, इतनी देर से बोल रही हूँ. नहीं, मेरा माइक ऑफ था. आई होप थोड़ा सा कैमरा में रिकॉर्ड हो गया हूँ. दोबारा बोलना पड़ेगा सब. इतना सारा कुछ बोल चुकी हूँ, इतना सारा कुछ कर चुकी हूँ. कैमरा में रिकॉर्ड हो गया, मेरा माइक ऑफ था. सो आई वॉज टेलिंग यू गाइस कि मैंने ये मॉर्फी का ब्रश लिया था. ये 12 वाले आई सेट पैलेट में था. देन आई वॉज सेइंग दिस कि मैंने इनसाइड का पैलेट लिया. इसमें से मैंने ब्राउन आई शैडो लिया एंड आई टेकन इट ऑन दैट दिस ब्रश एंड आई अप्लाइड इट एज अ लाइनर बिकॉज ब्लैक लाइनर मुझे बहुत ही स्टार्की लगते हैं. बट आई एम स्टिल अ लाइनर गर्ल. तो मैंने ब्लैक उससे आई शैडो से लगा लिया. इतना कुछ मैं बता चुकी थी एंड मेरा माइक ऑफ था. मैं पागल हो गई हूँ आज बिल्कुल ही. आई एम नॉट इन माई सेन स्टेट राइट नाउ. थोड़ा सा मैं ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. वाओ, इट लुक्स मच बेटर नाउ. Very natural, very elite. Next, I think we're gonna apply a little bit of mascara. Mascara. Where's mascara? Lashkara. तेरी अखियाँ तो लश्कारा. ये Too Faced का पता नहीं क्यों मेरे हाथ में आता ही है ये. मैं जितना भी कोशिश कर लूँ to try out other mascaras, but मेरे हाथ में यही आता है. And I have this today. मैं निकाल के ही नहीं लाई और कोई मस्कारा. ये मेरे पाउच में ही था. So I've just gotten that and हम लगा रहे हैं मस्कारा. I was just checking कि मेरा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. and I've just poked it in my eye. Never mind guys, never mind. Just have to finish this video quickly because time is passing. ऐसा लग रहा है काफ़ी है इतना. मैं at the same time उधर भी देखना चाहती हूँ, उधर भी, ताकि मुझे wow just like a wow shimmer. but मुझे पता नहीं लगाना चाहिए या नहीं, और मे बी I'll just ruin my whole look. ट्राई कर लेते हैं. थोड़ा सा लगा लेंगे, थोड़ा सा. ओके, नॉट दैट बैड. आई कैन. ओह नाइस. पता भी नहीं चल रहा होगा आई थिंक कैमरा में तो. ओह शिट, अब ज़्यादा हो गया. कबाती. विल वर्क इट आउट. वी आर एन आर्टिस्ट. कितना बोलती हूँ मैं। हाईलाइटर आई विल स्किप आई थिंक, बिकॉज आई नो अंडर आईज की कवरेज कम है, बिकॉज आई हैव केप्ट इट सटल। हुडा का पाउडर लगा लूँगी, इससे थोड़ा बेटर हो जाएगा अंडर आई मेरा। अदरवाइज आई विल जस्ट यूज़ ईदर दिस और दिस। बहुत ज़्यादा है। इससे क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा ना येलो कलर का पाउडर है तो कवरेज आ जाती है। यहाँ नहीं मेरे से लाइट नहीं, भाई मैं पागल हो जाऊँगी। गाइस थोड़ी देर बिना लाइट के देख लो, मैं परेशान हो चुकी हूँ बार बार लाइट चार्ज करके चेंज करके। मेरे पास एक लाइट लगी है प्रोफेशनल, एक लाइट है मेरे मिरर से आती हुई। उसके बावजूद भी मेरे को बहुत लाइट कम पड़ रही है। मैंने पैनल लाइट ऐड कर रखी है और इसकी बैटरी बार बार बंद होती रहती है। ओके, आई रियली हैव टू बाय अ न्यू लाइट, बिकॉज इस लाइट को 2 साल हो गए हैं। इसकी बैटरी बार बार बहुत जल्दी ड्रेन कर रही है। मैं जल्दी जल्दी ख़त्म करना चाह रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो ये कब बंद हो जाए दोबारा से। सो आई एम जस्ट अप्लाइंग दिस प्रॉश का लिपस्टिक, the shade High Tea. So many people loved this shade and I also love it, but not more than my Smashbox one. थोड़ा डार्क है बट ओके, बेटर लग रहा है ना। आई डोंट नो, रियल में तो काफ़ी बेटर लग रहा है। ये मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ पैक का माइक्रो फिनिश सेटिंग स्प्रे। एनीवेज, मैं ये सिर्फ ये वाली स्प्रे तभी यूज़ करती हूँ जब मुझे थोड़ा ड्यूई सा लुक चाहिए होता है, बिकॉज कुछ स्प्रेज ऐसा बिल्कुल टाइट मेकअप स्मज प्रूफ सा कर देती है। ये वो काम तो नहीं करता, बट बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग सा एकदम ना हाइड्रेशन सा दे देता है फेस पर, ड्यूई सा लुक आ जाता है, विच आई रियली लाइक। तो या आई थिंक with that I'm gonna end this video. I really enjoyed creating this video, and it was really a connecting video where I could share my feelings, my emotions right now, whatever is going through, even if I'm talking to a camera right now, but I know people watch and relate, so it's really something meaningful to me. So I really loved talking to you guys today, and it was my first chit chat get ready with me kind of a video. This was really a sensitive topic for me right now. It's great to have something to escape out of it and to let it out. And yeah, that was it, I think. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, goodbye.